Productboard is a system of record for product management teams that helps them get the right products to market faster. ZoomInfo helped us with all the foundational pieces of identifying and launching an outbound strategy. We were living in a world of inbound leads. We did not have anybody on our team going to market and reaching out to customers net new in a cold prospecting fashion. ZoomInfo definitely is helping us figure out who the right people are within organizations to reach out to with our story. And it's showing in our reply rates to our emails. Our reply rates to our emails are north of 17% today. We've successfully already generated 65 opportunities from using ZoomInfo contacts and well over $100,000 already in identifiable pipeline, with more to come. We're in the early stages of having an outbound strategy. We're only 2 months in. We need ZoomInfo for the accounts and contact sourcing that is going to make our outbound team successful. And then with our sales team that's actually closing deals, they're also using ZoomInfo to find new contacts within their deals, multi-thread their opportunities, and increase the likelihood that they'll close the deal. The largest benefit of us bringing ZoomInfo into the sales technology stack within Productboard is we've enabled our teams to be more successful towards their goals. We now have tools that if they don't know who a decision maker is in an organization, they can look that up. If they wanted to know that an organization is using Jira, which is a tool we integrate really well with, they can look that up. If they want to know that our potential clients are using a competitor's tool, they can look that up as well. So it's a tool that really gives our reps a lot of dimensions to look at their accounts. For us, that's really key because we want our sales reps to be successful. And it gives us the confidence we know we need to grow.